A tropical cyclone is an intense low-pressure weather system that develops over warm tropical and subtropical ocean waters. It is characterized by strong winds, torrential rainfall, and thunderstorms. In the Southern Hemisphere, these systems rotate clockwise due to the Coriolis effect. Example: Cyclone Idai, March 2019, was one of the most devastating tropical cyclones to affect Zimbabwe and Southern Africa in recent history. Weather hazards associated with tropical cyclones. 1. Torrential rainfall and flooding. Tropical cyclones bring prolonged, heavy rainfall over large areas in a short period, leading to flash floods, river floods, and waterlogging. Example: during Cyclone Idai, Chimanimani and Chipinge districts in eastern Zimbabwe received over 300 millimeters of rainfall in less than 24 hours, causing rivers to overflow and submerge roads, bridges, and villages. 2. Strong winds. These systems are characterized by violent, destructive winds that can reach speeds of over 200 kilometers per hour. The winds uproot trees, destroy homes, power lines, and infrastructure, and contribute to flying debris hazards. Example: Cyclone Idai's winds flattened homes in Chimanimani and blew off rooftops in urban areas like Mutare. 3. Storm surges. A storm surge is the abnormal rise of seawater generated by a storm's winds, pushing water onto coastal areas and causing coastal flooding. Example: in Mozambique's Beira City, storm surges from Cyclone Idai flooded entire coastal neighborhoods and caused extensive damage to the port and infrastructure. 4. Landslides and mudslides. Prolonged heavy rainfall on steep, unstable slopes loosens soil and rocks, triggering landslides and mudslides that can bury homes, roads, and farmlands. Example: in Ngongu Township, Chimanimani, landslides swept away homes and residents, causing dozens of fatalities during Cyclone Idai. 5. Thunderstorms and lightning. Tropical cyclones are accompanied by intense thunderstorms producing frequent lightning and thunder, which can cause injuries, start fires, and damage property. Example: thunderstorms during tropical depressions in Manicaland province have resulted in lightning strikes that damaged schools and homes in recent years. 6. Heat and humidity extremes. Before and after the cyclone's landfall, regions often experience extreme heat and humidity due to moist tropical air masses, posing health risks such as heat exhaustion and dehydration. Example: areas ahead of Cyclone Eloise's arrival in January 2021 experienced high humidity and temperatures exceeding 35 degrees Celsius in parts of low-veld Zimbabwe. 7. Disruption of transport and communication. Cyclone-related hazards such as floods, wind damage, and landslides result in the destruction of roads, bridges, power lines, and telecommunication systems, cutting off affected areas from aid and emergency services. Example: Cyclone Idai destroyed bridges along the Chimanimani-Mutare Road, isolating communities and complicating relief operations. 8. Health hazards. Cyclones create conditions favorable for the spread of waterborne diseases such as cholera, typhoid, and malaria outbreaks due to stagnant water and breakdown of sanitation systems. Example: following Cyclone Idai, cholera outbreaks were reported in both Chimanimani and Buhera districts due to contaminated water sources. 9. Agricultural losses. Cyclones damage standing crops, livestock, irrigation infrastructure, and grain storage facilities, leading to food shortages, famine risks, and loss of livelihoods. Example: Cyclone Idai destroyed maize and banana plantations in Chimanimani, Chipinge, and Honda Valley, causing long-term food insecurity in Manicaland province. 10. Environmental degradation. Tropical cyclones cause the destruction of forests, wetlands, and river ecosystems, resulting in soil erosion, habitat loss, and biodiversity disruption. Example: riverbanks along Rund and Save rivers experienced severe erosion following cyclonic rains, altering river courses and affecting ecosystems in Gonarajo National Park.